see the first 3. You line them up with your natural teeth and the clicker. That's it. Done. And you can see they fit so good. Like, they are perfect. They are so perfect. I was worried at first, what if they're too big? What if they don't fit? What if I don't like them? And they're literally perfect. I've still got a lisp, as, you know, they're still new. I've drank with them. I've not ate with them yet, but I've drank with them and no problem at all. I've got my confidence back. You know, I can talk, I smile, I'm constantly smiling, I'm singing. I love them. And for the price, it's nothing, you know, it's nothing. And I would recommend this company to anyone.